Good morning.
Good morning. Welcome to Cozy Beans Cafe.
Thanks. It smells amazing in here.
Thank you. Would you like to try our new coffee today?
Maybe. What's special about it?
It's a caramel latte with oat milk. Very smooth and sweet.
That sounds nice. Do you have any sugar-free options?
Yes, we do. You can choose almond milk or sugar-free syrup.
Great. I'll have one caramel latte with almond milk.
Sure. What size would you like? Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please.
Got it. Would you like it hot or iced?
Hot, please.
Perfect. Anything else for you today?
Maybe a slice of cake. What do you recommend?
Our chocolate fudge cake is very popular.
Sounds delicious. I'll take one slice.
All right. Anything to go with that?
No, that's all for now.
Great. Can I have your name for the order?
Sure, it's Alex.
Thank you, Alex. You can pay at the counter.
Do you take cards?
Yes, both card and cash.
I'll pay by card.
Please tap your card here.
Done.
Perfect. Your total is $6.50.
All right.
Here's your receipt.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Please wait for your order over there.
Sure, I'll wait.
It'll be ready in a few minutes.
No problem.
Would you like to sit inside or outside?
Inside, please. It's a bit cold today.
Good choice.
Do you have Wi-Fi here?
Yes, the password is on the board near the counter.
Oh, I see it. Thanks.
You're welcome.
Is the caramel latte very sweet?
Not too sweet, but I can make it lighter if you want.
That would be great. Just a little less sweet, please.
Sure, I'll do that.
You make coffee sound like art.
Thank you. I love my job.
That's nice. How long have you been working here?
For about 2 years.
Wow, you must be an expert.
Maybe. I just enjoy making people happy with coffee.
That's a good reason to work.
Yes, it is. So, do you come here often?
Not really. I just moved to this neighborhood.
Oh, welcome to the area.
Thanks. It seems like a peaceful place.
It is. People here are really friendly.
That's good to know.
Do you work nearby?
Yes, just around the corner.
Nice. You'll have to visit us more often.
I will. The coffee smells too good to resist.
That's the idea. By the way, do you like reading?
Yes, I do. Why?
We have a small book corner at the back.
Oh, really? That's cool.
You can read while enjoying your coffee.
That's a great idea.
Some customers even exchange books here.
Wow, that's creative.
We tried to keep it cozy.
You've done a good job.
Thank you, Alex. Your caramel latte is almost ready.
Awesome. Can't wait.
Here it is.
Whoa, it looks perfect.
And here's your chocolate fudge cake.
Oh, it looks delicious.
Enjoy.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
The foam art looks amazing.
Do you like it?
Yes, it's beautiful.
I made a little heart shape.
That's lovely.
Glad you noticed.
The coffee tastes great, too.
I'm happy to hear that.
It's not too sweet, just right.
Perfect. Just how you wanted.
And the cake, oh, wow.
Good.
So soft and rich.
We bake it fresh every morning.
That explains the taste.
Do you usually drink coffee every day?
Yes, every morning.
Same here. I can't start my day without it.
Coffee keeps us alive.
Exactly.
Do you make latte art for all drinks?
Only for hot ones.
Makes sense.
Would you like some water with your cake?
That would be nice. Thank you.
Here you go.
Thanks.
Are you from this city originally?
No, I moved here for work.
Oh, what do you do?
I'm a graphic designer.
That's cool.
Yeah, I work mostly on a laptop, so coffee shops are my second office.
We love customers like you.
Then I'll be back often.
Please do.
By the way, do you serve breakfast here?
Yes, from 8 to 11 a.m. every day.
Nice. I'll try that next time.
You'll love our pancakes.
Pancakes and coffee. Perfect combo.
Exactly.
How's the crowd usually here?
It's busy in the morning, quiet in the afternoon.
That's when I'll come then.
Smart choice.
Do you have loyalty cards?
Yes, buy 9 coffees, get the 10th free.
Oh, that's cool. Can I get one?
Of course. Here you go.
Thanks. I'll start collecting stamps.
That's the spirit.
I really like this place.
That makes me happy to hear.
You're very friendly, by the way.
Thank you. I enjoy chatting with nice customers.
Thanks.
Would you like a takeaway box for the cake?
No, I'll finish it right here.
Good plan.
All right, I should get going soon.
Sure. Thanks for visiting, Alex.
Thank you, Emma. See you next time.
Have a great day.
You too. Bye.